Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screenshot not showing in iPhone 17 Air. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on creativity folder. Now here click on photos app. Now in photo, so click on library, you will see. Now here your screenshot photos not showing in here, so you click on this three lines icon. Now here you will see view option, so click on view option. You will see last option is screenshot, so click on screenshots. So you will see your all screenshots is showing here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screenshots not showing in iPhone 17 Air. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.